Hello everyone. Yesterday when I was referring my YouTube comments, I found one comment, that is one student was asking that, Madam, how to handle this jam session in an interview? It's a very good topic and I wanted to speak on this topic today. Most of the HRs will prefer this jam session, just a minute. In 1 minute you have to speak on any topic. This jam session as the recruitment process, because it's very easy to pick up the candidate, right candidate within less time, and it will not take much time, as well as right candidate also will get it very easily. That's the reason most of the HRs will prefer to take this kind of jam sessions. And I have done my MBA HR and I worked as a training and placement officer. I was also one of the panel member in some of the interviews also. So with my HR perspective, I wanted to guide you today. So regarding this jam session, whenever you go for jam session, what are the expectations of the HR? Expectations of HR is, first thing is they expect a very good communication skills, English communication skills and body language, first point. So English, how you have to speak. Many of you scare, in fact you know the language very well, you can express very well, but you have a small hesitation. Leave that hesitation. Use simple English. Simple English, confidently you speak. Don't use any jargon words, not required. HR is not having that much of time to search your jargon words in dictionary, so use simple words. The less simple words you use it, the more comfortable you'll be, the less grammatical mistakes you'll have. You can speak confidently. Use simple language, that is communication skills, and body language. Body language also. Speak very confidently. Give an expression that you are very confident. So in that way you can give your expressions. Mainly pleasant face, smiling face you can keep. And look at the HR, maintain the eye contact. So confidently take care of your voice and appearance. These are the first areas where you have to focus, communication skills and then body language. And second one is self-confidence. How confidently you are speaking, that is going to observe by the HR. Confidently you speak. If you are not confident inside, at least act like a confident person. How to act? Hide your feelings, keep a smiling face, talk loudly, not very loudly, audible voice, confident voice, so that you have to give an assurance that you can do. You have all the skills, you have subject, but when it comes to the expression, why do you hesitate? Let the job may come, may not come, but do not hesitate. Confidently speak. And the third point is logical thinking. Logical, analytical, creative thinking skills the HR will observe. This is the least bothered, but mainly the communication skills, body language, and then confidence. These are the main two areas. Thirdly, it comes to the logical thinking. If the tough competition is there, then we'll go for the logical thinking. Otherwise, it is not much required. So speak in a different way and speak confidently. Impress the HR. That's it. So in this way, you can go for HR, that jam session. And generally, most of the HRs will ask this jam session in two ways. One is give your self-introduction in 1 minute. It's quite easy. And if you go to interview, the first question in any interview is the same question. Introduce yourself. Or if you go to even jam session also, they'll ask you to introduce yourself. 1 minute to speak about yourself only. So this is damn sure question. 95% to 100% you have chances to get this question. So that is why prepare well and go and speak. What to speak? I have prepared already one video on self-introduction only. Please check it out in my channel. And let me tell you a few points how to give your self-introduction. Don't speak much about your family and your school life, all these things. Rather than that, talk about potential points, credential points, valid points, which will give an impression about you. So that kind of points you speak. All your achievements, your qualifications, any other projects you have done, certifications you have done, your experience, and your awards, rewards, and your strengths. On these areas you focus and speak very confidently. I am so and so, and I am the right person. Give an impression to the HR that I am the right person where you are searching. So that kind of impression you have to give it your self-introduction. Prepare well and go. So this is one thing. Second one is topic will be given to you to speak on the jam session. A topic sometimes it may be your choice or HR choice. If it is your choice, well and good, always prepare and go. Keep some topics always ready. At least a couple of topics, keep it with you. Anytime if somebody asks you to speak on anything, yeah, I have a topic, and a good message oriented topic, informative topic. Select such a topic that everybody should accept it in such a way, take the topic and speak it. Suppose if it is HR's choice, HR has given you a topic, you have to speak on this topic only for 1 minute. Do not get scared. Don't keep your mind blank. Keep yourself cool. Yes, I can speak. Start speaking something. So what is that something? How to speak on an unknown topic which is given by HR? I'll tell you few tips. For example, a topic is given by HR, that is reservation systems in education. Reservation system in education. This is the topic is given to you. How to speak. The first thing is take introduction of the reservation system. What is reservation system? How you want to define? Where it is happening? Like you take some introduction of this reservation. Second thing is that impact of reservation on education system. What is the impact is going on? If you read newspapers, if you know some daily news, then you can speak on this topic very easily. Current affairs you should have knowledge. So that is impact of reservation on the education system you are speaking. Then after that, third point is what is the government policy regarding this reservation? What the government policy is going on. Speak about the policy of the government. And fourth one, lastly, you speak about your opinion. What do you want to say? What is your opinion? What is the advice you wanted to give? So like in 4 areas if you take, can't you speak 1 minute? Easily. 2 to 5 minutes you can speak. But speak 1 minute confidently and start speaking. Sometimes if your mind is blank, start speaking. I'll speak, that's it. Go ahead, go ahead. You'll get the points. Don't be conscious about the other person is watching at you. Now I'm talking to you. Only camera is in front of me, but I'm talking. Because I know I'm conscious about the topic and I'm speaking in the same. Just be conscious about the topic, start speaking. Don't be conscious about the HR. Don't be conscious about the other people who are in front of you. So in that way, start speaking. Speak, speak, speak. Continuously you speak. You can. So these are the areas where you have to focus. And to get clear about this jam session, I would suggest you to go for current affairs daily. Newspaper you can watch, news channels you can watch, and have an understanding about the topic. If you have any free time, talk among your friends on any topic you can speak. Decide with this, on this topic, let's talk 10 minutes. Talk. You'll have the confidence and practice it very well. You can give suggestions to yourself. You can conduct jam session for yourself also. How? Suppose you are traveling in a bus. Assume that this is the topic given by the HR. Now I want to speak, or it is decided by me and I wanted to participate. Give a topic to yourself. Keep 10 topics. Now if this is the topic, how I have to speak? Prepare mentally inside. Write down some points. Then after that, record your voice. If you have a smartphone, use it in a very smart way. Record yourself. Total everything. And also HR will see the style of your presentation, style of your talk. Everything is they'll see. So improve yourself. Initially it may not be good. But slowly if you go, it will be definitely a very good presentation. You will overcome everything. So this is what I wanted to say. Any kind of queries, please do get back to me. I'll answer to each and every question. And dear friends, lot of videos I have prepared in my channel. Just go ahead for the playlist. Different playlists are there. Study techniques, one playlist I have prepared. And group discussions, one playlist. Interview skills, one playlist. Personality development, this is also one playlist is there. So you can check it out. Many people are asking me, Madam, interview skills I have prepared a lot of videos. Please check it out in my channel and I'll be preparing. So keep in touch. Do share these videos. Let the benefit goes to each and every student. Thank you all. I am preparing this video especially for your benefit. Take care, share it and subscribe to my channel. Wish you good luck. Take care. Bye.